Yeah, so hello, I'm Megha here, and we are from the team Binary Bandits, and I'll be presenting to you the part third of our challenge, which includes generation of automated phishing mails. So initially, as you can see on the screen, we've set up a CUDA environment because our data set was very large. We've been using a data set initially with 2 lakh rows and then a 60,000 row data set. So we had to integrate it with the GPU, and so I've set it up with CUDAs. Then we've imported the files. Now for the purpose of running the project again to record it, so we've used a smaller data set because it was taking too long to train. So right now our data set includes just 10,000 rows for faster training. Then we've included PyTorch and torch text to tokenize all the words and make sure that our data set is in a clean format. Then we've set up an email data set, a basic tokenizer and basic cleaning of the data set has been done here. Then we have used an LSTM model to teach the model to make for the sequencing of the texts. So we've initialized it with Xavier initializations. Then after that, we've made a function to save the model. So as the trained model is saved, and we don't have to run the whole thing again and again. Yeah. So then after that, in this case, right now we have run the model for only one epoch, but actually while training we've ran it for 50 times, which is there in the original collab notebook that we've uploaded on our drive. And after that we have imported the reception CSV that we've got from profiling. So these are the profiles that we had acquired. And after that we generated phishing models using the GPT-2 model. So we've trained it, and then we have generated around five more example emails here. As you can see, these are the generated emails to the like generating phishing mail for Alice Johnson, and it includes their name and all their information. These are the example mails, and then we've made a bot using this email ID and password, and then we have sent an automated bot to we've sent an automated email through the bot, and this is the email sent successfully. I can show you the email because here the target email is to my address. I can show that to you. Wait, how do I? Yeah, as you can see here, these are the spam emails that I have received from the bot, which has just been sent now. So this is a successful attempt from our side to create AI generated emails, phishing emails, and automate the process of sending them to the personalized users. Thank you.